Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful 2007 Aston Martin DB9 Coupe. Onyx Black exterior, great metallic paint on this car. Hop on in, we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in our 2007 Aston Martin DB9 Coupe. Again, beautiful Onyx Black exterior, great piano black finish with the light interior. 14,000 miles from new. We sold this car when it was almost new, and it's come back to us on a trade for another Aston Martin, and actually convertible. So we're going to do a little cold start here. She fires right up. Great sound from that 6-liter V12. We're going to warm her up and we'll be back. All right, we got a little temperature in our DB9. Again, oh, that great exhaust sound from the V12. Effortless shifting. Nice big brakes too on this car. This combination too, the Onyx Black, cream truffle interior, piano black. Really, really elegant. Additionally outfitted, it's got Bluetooth, it's got cruise control. Great CD changer, nav, enter on a nav. Paddle shifting at will, Bluetooth connectivity. We'll put it into sport mode too. Upgrades to shifting. Fuel and ignition mapping. Red line, raises the red line a little bit. This car's also got exhaust valves from the factory, so cruising around nice and quiet. You get on it, really get that V12 grunt, or V12 growl as they say. We're going to come up here, we're going to do little twisties, or through the S's as they call it. Cold out, so we got a little traction there, but she hooks right up with the traction control, especially in sport modes, putting all that power right down. But great, quiet, solid cruising car. It's a great road trip car, yet still docile enough you could take it to get ice cream, movies, dinner, take it for a nice ride anywhere. So all year long kind of car. Nice coupe for the winter. Additionally fitted with heated seats. Great cold AC for the summer. Great stereo. Linn stereo.
I miss the earth so much. I miss my wife.
We'll come up here and we'll do some flybys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I did. It's a tad chilly out and slippery out, so wasn't going full bore, but I'm sure you get the gist of it. Again, spectacular. It's got the optional 19-inch wheels on here as well, which really give that, the black and the silver face wheels really give it a great look. The car drives spectacularly. Again, 14,000 miles from new. So we will come up to the farm road and we'll open her up a bit for you. Coming up to the farm road here, putting that V12 450 horsepower down. Great exhaust note. Car pulls, 6-speed Transmission goes through the gears and cruises so nicely at speed. Great car and a great example of a DB9. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Like and subscribe, comment as well if you'd like to. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.